Well, I won't put your face.
All right, thank you. Okay, so what we're looking at is the anterior surface of the heart here, making this the right side and this the left side. All right, so the exterior pieces that you need to know, this flap here is going to be the left auricle. And then if you come around here, you can see this, it's a little tucked away because the way the heart's flattened, but this is the right auricle over here, this one that I'm lifting up. All right?
Yes.
I'm gonna start off actually on the inside of the heart. Okay? The way this heart's divided, this muscular wall here is the interventricular septum here. Okay? Making everything on this side of the heart, the right side of the heart, and everything over here, the left side of the heart. Okay? Again, the cutting is a little awkward here, but up here is going to be the right atrium. The right atrium is going to come through the valve, which is right here where my pointer is. Everybody can see that?
Tricuspid.
Okay, and that's the right side, so that's going to be your tricuspid valve. You'll see that everything that looks like this fine, can you get this in your pictures? See all those little fine mesh looking things? Right here, this is the chordae tendineae, right here, that I'm lifting up on. And you need to know papillary muscles also?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
All right, and if anything that the chordae tendineae attached to on the walls of either the atrium or the ventricles, those are your papillary muscles. So we come through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. All right, and like you remember from your human heart, the right ventricle pumps through the pulmonary trunk. All right, what I'm going to do is, this is the pulmonary trunk, this one that's split open here. But to get to the pulmonary trunk, it needs to first go through the pulmonary semilunar valve. The best way to do that is to just insert this here and then look at it from the inside. Okay? So if you look up here, and if you could follow that, your pulmonary semilunar valve is what that's passing through. Again, the plane where this was cut, it's a little awkward to see it.
Deoxygenated
Yep.
in blood, right?
So that's the pulmonary semilunar valve is right in there. Okay. We're going to go to the other side of the heart. So when it comes back in, you'll see that this chamber up here is going to be the left atrium. Right there.
Yeah.
It comes through this valve, which is right here, and your left valve is called your...
Tricuspid valve. Bicuspid.
Your left one is called your bicuspid or your mitral valve.
Yeah.
Again, all these little stringy things are your chordae tendineae. Okay? And they're going to attach to the papillary muscles which are on the walls. This is going to be the left ventricle here on this side. Okay? And the left ventricle then is going to pump out through the aorta, which is where my pointer is here. But to get to the aorta, it first needs to go through the aortic semilunar valve, which is located right in there, where that pointer's coming through.
Is that on the right side?
What's that?
Is that on the right side?
It kind of crosses over.
Okay.
Those two valves crisscross each other in the heart. Okay, so aortic semilunar valve, aorta, and the first branch off of your aorta, as you know from the human heart, is the brachiocephalic artery. Okay. The only other thing you need to know is that the point of the heart, or the bottommost part, is called the apex. And that is the heart.
That is it?
Yeah, I think that's the whole heart.
Okay.